Today we are making a protein pancake that contains no protein powder. It contains lots of eggs and cheese. Cottage cheese, that is. So to start, get yourself out a large bowl. I have my griddle already heating on the stove because to make a good pancake, you want semi-room temperature batter, not cold, and a hot griddle. So we're gonna start with 6 large eggs. Lightly beaten. We're gonna add 16 ounces of cottage cheese, or about 2 cups. I'm using full fat cottage cheese. You can use low fat, fat-free, whatever you prefer. Now, how are these gonna turn out? I don't know. We're gonna find out together. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of butter melted, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon zest. We're gonna mix that together. Yeah, so I don't know if these are gonna be lumpy or if the heat from cooking them is going to melt out the lumps from the cottage cheese. I don't know. We'll find out and I'll let you know. Once you've given that a mix, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. As well as 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So once you have your flour mixed in, don't overmix, and obviously it's kind of hard to see if there are any lumps, but make sure you don't have any big lumps of flour not mixed in, but it's going to be lumpy regardless. Let's head over to the stove. If you don't mind the water spots on my griddle, so my griddle is heated. I'm going to turn it just below medium. Between medium and medium low. I'm gonna take my 1/4 cup measuring cup and portion out my pancakes. And you can also preheat your oven to 170, between 170 and 200. Put a oven safe plate or baking sheet in there, and so you can keep your pancakes warm once they've cooked while you are cooking the rest of your pancakes. If you're new to pancake making, I'm going to wait for some bubbles to appear in the midst of my pancakes, and I'm going to wait for them to look a little dry around the edges, maybe golden. Again, this is my first time making these specific pancakes. I'm not sure if they're going to work exactly the same as traditional pancakes, but we'll see. It's all in the wrist. I don't think that one was quite as done as I wanted it to be. Oh no. I turned my griddle up a little bit because I think I turned it down too much. So it's about medium now. Oh yeah, I turned my griddle down too much. We'll get them next time. We'll get them in the next batch. That one looks good. That looks right. I promise I'm a better pancake maker with real pancakes. See, that side looks more like a pancake now. Okay, one solid pancake done. That one's almost finished. Usually the second round goes better anyway. I think it's because the batter has warmed up even more and you've zeroed in on the temperature you want your griddle to be. We like that much better. Once you have made your pancakes, we can go ahead and give them a taste test. Are you ready? So I have some maple syrup if you want to go ahead and warm that up. We're gonna give these protein pancakes a good old try. You can absolutely put a little more butter on these. That lemon zest is really nice. They definitely have more of a, it's a cross between, are these pancakes fluffy or are they custardy? I mean, rightfully so. There's a lot of eggs in there. And you know what goes really great with lemon zest is blueberries. So I would 100% recommend adding some blueberries to your batter. Not bad. I mean, go ahead, give it a try. Especially if you're trying to up your protein intake and you're tired of having just eggs for breakfast and you don't want more protein powder because that can be chalky. Give these a go and give this video a big thumbs up if you would give these a try. And if you do give them a try, make sure you let me know down below in the comments. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you're looking for a classic pancake recipe, go ahead, click here on screen, and I'll see you guys there.